the Google, and then you click your image icon. Then you can see here, manage your Google account. Just tap here. Once you tap, it's coming again downside. You see manage your data personalization. Then again scroll up, slowly scroll up, and then you can see downside, go to add settings and click here, go to add settings. Then you can see here, add personalization is on. Just you have to turn off. Then you go visit your online choice. You have to open any browser. So just once I open, then again opening a new page, your add choice page. So you have to go down, check here, continue anyway. Okay, then you see start. Let it be to complete. Then again we have to do next. Now slowly, very slow. Just because of the slow internet, that's why it's very slowly. Let it be to full complete. Okay, now you can check downside for this status check complete. So tap on continue. Then again you see the middle one, just same like OPT out of call. Just tap here, center. Now just view update result. Tap on view update